Okay, here we are with our another strategy, which is block trading strategy, another intraday strategy. It is not a strategy, but it is very useful tool. Whenever you see a trading setup like this is a no trading day for option buyers and option sellers. You will not trade on this day, neither of you. Avoid trading if the price action candles are trading inside the block range. You will hit your stop loss. You see, you are on this day, yeah, this is your day, and this is CPR, and the price action candles are inside CPR. Even if they go out and you have old CPR or virgin CPR, virgin CPR is more effective than old CPR. So if you see such setup, old or virgin CPR and CPR on your current trading day and the price action candles here, you will not trade on this day. Reason being, there are so many support and resistance, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or depending upon the situation, there will be a lot of support and resistance, and there is a high possibility that the price action candle will not be able to penetrate. Even if it penetrate one, then it comes down, and it will be a very messy day for everyone. Stay out of it. Stay out of this market. In the morning itself, you'll be able to see this. So close your terminal that day. You will not trade. It is not necessary to trade every day. Yeah.